Hello everyone! So this video is a review video. I've been sent this box from Modelones. I ordered this from Amazon, so I chose what I wanted to review, and it was this Polygel kit. You all know that I love my Polygel, so I chose this kit. Here's just the bump that you get with it, or whatever you want to call it, the information telling you what to do, which is really good because a lot of people, you know, they buy this stuff and they don't really know how to use it, so that is really good. So I've opened this box, that's why it's messy. They don't package it like that, so don't worry about that. So the first thing is these forms, and I don't know if you can see how absolutely massive those are. I'm just going to get one of these out. These are dual forms, and I really don't like my toes. I have absolutely horrible toes in my opinion, and so I never let anyone see my feet. When I go on holiday and things like that, I actually build my toenails up properly using dual forms, but I have to sort of modify them. But look at the size of that. I mean, look at that to my thumb. Wow. I definitely think I could use that on on my big toe. So I'm going to try that. I'm not going to film it because I'm not showing anyone my feet. You really don't want to see that. But yeah, I'm going to try them on my toes because they look really good. So as you can see, they're really curved and everything, and they've got lines on. So you can get a really neat line if you're using those. I am not the biggest fan of dual forms. I don't like using them apart from on toes because it's a lot easier for me. I like using original forms like these. I have got some of these and I do use them, so that's brilliant that they come in the box because they will definitely come in handy for me. So what else do you get in the box? You get a nail file, a 100/180 grit file, and these are really good files actually. I've got another one because I don't know if you know that I did a previous review on their polygels and I got all this stuff in that kit as well. So this is the brush and spatula that comes with it. Just get that out. So it might help if I actually tried to get it out the right end, which was why that wasn't coming off. But yeah, it looks like that. It's really quite, I like it. It's like quite stylish, I think. So that is the spatula on one end, and then the brush is on the other end, like that. And these are perfect for using for polygel. The only thing I've noticed is after you've been using it a while, it's not like an acrylic brush, unless I'm just doing it wrong. But the bristles tend to separate after a while, and they're not as tightly packed as they are like that. So I don't know what that's about, but I'm glad that I've got a new one of them because my old one's looking tatty now. So then you get base and top coat. And these are really good from Modelones, the base and top coat. I really like them. So there they are. And there's just a little ticket on there saying any problems, contact customer support. And they say that they'll get back to you within 24 hours, which is really good. The ingredients are all on the back. So I'll just put those to one side, and then it's just a polygel. So the polygel that comes in this kit is a pure white, so that's really good. Light pink, soft pink, and this is a temperature change one, so I'm really excited to see what that looks like. I am going to be swatching them today on my Elsa hand. She's ready. She's here, she's got all her tips on. She's just waiting for me to put this polygel on, which I will do in a second. So yeah, I can't wait. I've already got a pink and a soft pink from the previous set. So and the soft pink that was in the previous set in the little tiny tubes was more like a milky white. But I think this one is actually pink, so that's going to be interesting to see if that is or not. So yeah, I'm going to get on with it. I will put the prices and everything on. I'll put a picture up now, and that will show you the prices and how much I paid for it and things like that. And I got this from Amazon, like I said earlier, so obviously all you know, countries sell on Amazon, don't they? So no matter where you are, you can probably get this kit. I will leave a link in the description box as usual. And then I will get on with the swatching. So I just want to let you know that these are 30 grams, these tubes. So they are a lot bigger than the other ones. I'm just going to get the other ones and I'll show you them. Just a second. Okay, so this is my previous set. And I'll just show you one of the tubes. So this is, how much is in there? 15 grams. So you can see the difference there. They're a lot bigger. Gonna get a lot further with those. So right, I will stop this now and I'll come back to you when I'm ready to do the swatches. So I'm just going to start with the base coat on all of the nails, and then I will cure that for 30 seconds.
So I have got a bit of an announcement on this video, so stay tuned a bit later and I'll tell you what that is.
So the first one I'm going to do is this pure white. So as you can see, that's really, it really is pure white, completely opaque. There's no no translucency there. It's very, very white. So I'm just going to place that on. And this polygel is really, really soft. I love it. I love working with it. It's so easy to work with. Whether it's on a practice hand or your own hands, it just goes where you tell it to go.
So my news is that I have set up my own health and fitness website. I've had it running for about a little over a year, but it's took me a long time to get a lot of things on there. So I just wanted to ask if anyone's interested in that. I'll put some pictures up and you can just have a look at the homepage and things like that. I've got a meal plan on there. I've got lots of blog posts with free fitness and weight loss information on. And it is a shop as well, so there's fitness wear and things for sale in there. So yeah, if you're interested in that, just have a look and I will put all the links in the description box. Yeah, but I don't want to keep you too long because this is a nails video. It's just that I've set up another YouTube channel with workouts on and stuff as well, so that'll be in the description as well.
Okay, so that has been cured now for 60 seconds and you can see how smooth it is. I mean, I've not filed this or buffed it or anything.
So that cured really well, there was no problem curing that. You might notice that my voice has changed. The first part of this video I did do when I was recording it, but then my husband came in and started making noise, so I'm doing a voiceover now. And while I'm doing this voiceover, I've got a bad cold and my throat's really sore, so I'm not going to talk as much as usual, which some of you might be happy about, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm sorry about being sniffly as well. I'm full of it at the moment. So yeah, this next one is called Soft Pink. This is a really nice light pink colour, and it's an opaque colour, so it's like a cover colour. It's not transparent whatsoever, you can't see through it. So this is the same, it's just the same formula as well, so it's really smooth going on, and it cures really well as well. That's what I like about these opaque ones. Sometimes some brands, the opaque colours, they don't cure all the way through, and so when you're filing into it at the end, sometimes you can find that it's not been cured and it's still wet. I've never had a problem with the Modelones polygels though, they always seem to cure fine. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and spread that out. And this will be sped up as well because it does take me a while, and then I'll come back to you with the next one. Okay, so here it is cured, and you can see that it is a pink colour. It's against that white one, it is definitely pink, and it's a really nice light pink colour. I like that one. So the next one is called light pink, and this is a transparent one. In the other set that I did, there was a transparent pink as well that was just called pink, and it was darker than this one, so this is lighter than that one. So when you put it on the nail, if you're only using sort of a thin layer, it's pretty much clear. You can't really see that it's very pink at all, to be honest. So that one I'm going to put on, and then I'll show you the last one, and that is the colour changing one. Now the colour changing one, there isn't a name for it, it's just got a number, 004. So yeah, the pure white is 001, 2 is the soft pink, 3 is the light pink, and then 4 is the colour change one. So this one that I'm putting now on is the light pink one, and that is the transparent one. So this is the one I was most excited about. This is the colour change one, and there you can see when it's cold or room temperature, it's this bright pink colour, and that's a really nice colour pink. I love that colour. So this is a transparent one as well, so you can see through it. It's not like it's a cover colour. And as with all the others on it, it goes on exactly the same. I do love this formula. It's really soft, but it's not too soft. I think if you did put the polygel on all of the nails like some people do and just left sort of a blob on each nail, it probably would move a little bit. Okay, so I've filed and buffed them all now, and this is how they look. As you can see, the index finger is not that bright pink colour anymore. It's more like a milky white colour. And they haven't got top coat on yet, so I will show you me putting top coat on them. I'm using the Modelones top coat that came in the kit, and this is a really nice top coat. It goes on really smoothly and it really does shine. It's a really nice formula, this top coat. I love it. Okay, so here is what they look like when they've been top coated. As you can see, the colour changing one is a lot clearer. It's not that milky. It is a bit milky, but it's more, you can see through it a bit better now that it's got the top coat on it. So I'm just going to show you some of the colours. So this one's called soft pink, and I'm putting it next to that pink one. But in the first set that I got, the first Modelones set, there was a soft pink, which is this one that I'm holding up now. And this is a milky white, yet it's still called soft pink. So I wanted to make that clear so that, you know, if you are getting a different set because you like the colour and you think, oh, that's going to be the same colour as that one that I got in that other set, it's not. They are different colours. So I did just want to point that out, because I would have been really you know, upset if I'd have gone and ordered one because it was called the same thing and then it came and it was a different colour. So yeah, there was also another pink one that held up from the first set as well, just to show you a comparison. So yeah, the middle finger is the light pink one, that's more of a translucent one. The other translucent one I'm holding up is the pink from the previous set, that is a darker translucent pink. And this one is the colour changing one, the index finger. So as you can see, it's like a milky clear colour when it is a bit warm. When it's a bit colder, it's more pink, but I'm going to put it in some cold and hot water just to show you the complete differences between hot and cold. And I really like that, because if you put some glitter over the top of that, I think that would look really good changing colour. So yeah, I really hope you like this video. I hope that you do have a look at this set if you're interested in Polygel, because I think this is one of the really good brands out there that has a really nice formula. I really like it. Yeah, tell me if you've tried Modelones. I have got quite a few videos on Modelones on my channel at the moment because I do love it. So yeah, tell me what you think. Don't forget, if you are interested in the health and fitness side of things, go and check out my website and also my other YouTube channel that will be linked in the description. Thank you so much for all of your help and your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!